Hello, and thanks for watching this tutorial, where we will be taking a look at the VDS's role in the Boss AI client. The VDS, or Virtual Dataset, is a data query with a set of applied transformations that need to be performed on the data prior to model training. This allows multiple users to perform transformations on the same data without the source data becoming corrupt or muddied with many operations. It also allows for many different transformations of the same data to allow for experimentation on which transformations produce the best models without taking up resources. To create a VDS, you must first have a query saved. For the sake of convenience, I do have a query here on my workspace. If you need a refresher on how to create a query, take a look at our querying data video linked in the description. Now on to creating the VDS. You simply need to click the plus sign beneath the desired data. This will pop up a small window. You provide a name and a description. Once you have provided this, you can select your data. This is where you define any features and labels you'd like to use in model training. Once you have selected your desired features and labels, you click Confirm and Save. The addition of the new icon on the workspace indicates that the creation of the VDS was successful. I have also created this example data here, which shows where the VDS exists in relation to operations I have applied to my data, such as replacing the word neutral with the number 1. Each of these operations is present in my VDS. This can be seen by clicking on the eye icon beneath the selected VDS. If you want to do some further experimental training with your data, you are able to create a VDS from another point in your data operation chain. We can take this one again for example. Let's go ahead and create this VDS. I will select my feature and my label once again and confirm and save. Now we can see on the workspace where this VDS breaks off from the original VDS. Now let's say we don't want this VDS anymore. We can go ahead and select it and go ahead and click this little trash can icon, which will delete our VDS from our operation chain. As soon as you're happy with your VDS, you can begin training your models. And that's all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching this short tutorial on how to use a VDS in the Boss AI client.